Popping boba are fun, tasty, and make a great little cooking project at home. In our video, we'll be showing you how to make popping boba using sodium alginate and different liquids like mango juice, strawberry puree, coffee, peach tea, and soda. Here are the ingredients you'll need. You'll also need a small teaspoon. We're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon to make popping boba that will be round and fit through a boba straw. If you're planning to make a lot of these, we recommend getting a pipette to help you with control. To make mango popping boba, we're using mango juice. Start by dissolving calcium lactate in 1 litre of distilled water. Allow this to rest for 4 hours or overnight. In another bowl, combine sodium alginate with drinking water. Stir this until it thickens and is smooth. Then, whisk in your mango juice and refrigerate the mixture for up to 2 hours. Once the time's up, you're ready to make some popping boba. Using a teaspoon or pipette, take some of your mango mixture. Then, with your other hand, dip a teaspoon into the distilled calcium lactate mixture to wet it. Then gently place your mango mixture into the 1/4 teaspoon and submerge it. Repeat this until you have the amount you want. And there you have it, some delicious mango popping boba. Give this video a thumbs up if you will make some of these soon. The trick to making perfectly round popping boba is control. Don't pour too much in one go onto your spoon or drop the mixture too far from the surface. You'll end up getting a little tail or tear shapes instead. Dipping your measuring spoon into the distilled calcium lactate will give the spoon a bit of a coat and help form the shape. Let us know in the comments below, how did yours turn out? To make strawberry popping boba, we're using strawberry puree. These go extremely well in a matcha milk tea or a simple Korean strawberry milk. To make coffee popping boba, we're using some instant coffee, but feel free to choose whatever one you want. We've also used the pipette directly to make smaller Starbucks popping pearls, which you can check out in our other video. For some peach popping boba, we're using some peach tea that we've brewed. Last but not least, you can also make popping boba with soda drinks. Here's how. Make sure to subscribe for more boba recipes and fun Asian drinks.